Hey YouTube, I'm still trying to get it right. I don't know if I'll ever get it right. I just wanted to come on real quick to say I had my first experience with the Beauty Blender, and I realized that I don't use enough concealer or foundation to use the Beauty Blender. I do understand that the Beauty Blender helps press in the product while also removing the excess product. And for concealer, because I only put dots here, I didn't realize until I got in the car that it looked like I had no concealer on. I was like, oh my, I look like really tired. And I'm looking like, I did put on concealer. And so now I understand why when I'm watching videos, they put concealer here and like all the way completely across. And for me, I don't do all of that. And so it pressed in where I put it and remove the excess, which means it didn't blend up into this area as it does when I use a brush. And so I doubt that I'll continue to use a Beauty Blender because I am really happy with the brush that I use. And also, like, this just isn't cute. And also I tried the Morphe setting spray, which I shouldn't have, because I remember saying once you find something you like, just stop. I had the small jar, well, the small bottle of the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray, which came in a 3-piece set with the powder and the primer, which broke me out horribly. So I tried the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray, and I really liked it. It did make my makeup last longer. I didn't get the creasing here as quickly, and when I sweat, it just dried back down. The Morphe setting spray, it is a really fine mist, and so that felt really nice. It almost feels like you're not putting on, but you really are. And after eating, I'm already creasing, like right here and down here from this. And so, and I did go out today. I just came back in, and so I did sweat some, and I am sweating, and I'm already creasing. I was creasing within like 20 minutes of putting the spray on, and I stood in front of a fan to let it dry down, so it's not that it didn't dry down. So I will not continue using the Beauty Blender, and I will not continue using the Morphe spray. And I do have buyer's remorse because I shouldn't have purchased it because I was happy with the Cover FX one. But I do have a setting spray that I know and love, and I'll get rid of the other ones which really did not do much for me, and I'll just stick to products that I know works. And so thanks for watching, guys. Let me know your experience with the Beauty Blender. I know everyone who has done videos using it seems to love it. I have not seen any videos with someone saying they didn't like it. So I'm just curious, like, are there other people out there who used it and really didn't like the effect that it gave, or that you found that you needed to use more product for it to press in and remove the excess without just removing it, or without it blending? Because it didn't seem, because how I put concealer here, and when I use a brush I blend it up. With the Beauty Blender, it wasn't blending up, it was just pressing in and removing excess. And so when people say the Beauty Blender blends, for me it didn't blend at all. And so let me know what you guys' experience is. Yes, it was wet, and I soaked it, well, I saturated it and then squeezed it to get the extra water out, so I know I did use it properly. So let me know what you guys' experience is, and what your go-to setting spray is. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.